Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell button, and go ahead and like this video. So let's get started with this video. So for today's video, I just wanted to do something on my nails. I gave myself a fill, I believe it was yesterday. So we're just gonna kind of freestyle the nails. I was feeling a little bit of red, so I got some red foil here, and I did have these little roses. I don't know which one I'm gonna use, so we shall see. But I also am gonna be using Medusa gel for the color on some of them, and this is just red, the art color red from Medusa gel or Medusa artistry. And then this one just says Rosanna's eyes, and this one is a kind of like a silver color. And I did mention these in my haul when I was showing you guys my Medusa gels that I just bought. If you guys want to see that video, I'll leave the link in the description for these gels. Are amazing. But the glitter ones have, I guess, some type of sterling silver in them, which is a really cool thing. So we're just gonna put these aside because I really don't know what I want to do or where to start. But I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do some kind of like French and maybe, I don't know, we'll just freestyle it. So let's just get started with it. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I don't know if I told you guys, I really don't have a good gel brush, so I'm just gonna be using this cheap little one that I got in a video. I was showing you guys that I got it on Amazon with some bling. But yeah, so here's the red. Such a beautiful red, and like again, like I said, it is art color red. So beautiful. Okay, so with this color, my lamp is under my table, so I'm just gonna be curing it in between. So okay, so I'm just gonna start. I think I'm gonna do this one right here, a full red. And the guy that was at the place where I bought these, where they have the whole, I don't know how to explain it, where they do all like their classes and stuff. It's like they have all the products there. Anyway, he was the one that told me the curing time, and he said that it's usually 1 to 2 minutes, depending, I guess, on your lamp. But okay, so that's one coat right there. So I'm just gonna clean where I made a mess. Okay, so like I was saying, the guy at Medusa told me to cure this for 1 to 2 minutes. So I'm just gonna do 1 minute. Usually color gel is only 30 seconds. So I'll just be putting it in for 1 minute. Also wanted to do like a French type, so I'll do that on the middle now. It does have great coverage. Did get some under there, so let's perfect that to our liking. Kind of missed the spot right there. And here, because I do want it just somewhat deep. Okay. And I am gonna do this one fully red as well. Clean up right here. Okay, so this is gonna go in the lamp for 1 minute. Okay, so now we're going to add the second coat. And let's clean up all around. Okay, so now I want to go ahead and close this red color up. This one's called Rosanna's Eyes, and this one is, oh, it's getting on me. So this one is basically like a silver color. It is really pretty, so I am gonna use this on the nails to make them pop just a little bit more. So I think I decided I want the whole thing kind of to, let me mix this up first, sorry. Kind of like this because you can mix it up with this end, like the little dotting tool end. That's pretty cool. We're gonna add that on our ring finger. Look at that. I want it completely full. So we're gonna do 2 coats of this. And like I said, there's actual sterling silver in these. Okay, so that's the first coat, and that's going in the lamp for 1 minute as well. Just clean it up a little bit again. So now what I want to do is I want to add this foil first, and I'm gonna add it onto, let me see, I'm gonna add it onto the pinky. So we're just gonna kind of, oh, I should have opened this first. I do have my foil glue, and this is what it looks like. It's by Macart. It just says nail art foil glue, and it is a gel foil glue, so you are gonna have to cure this for 1 minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it, actually I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the pinky and the thumb, because I want to do something different with the thumb. Now we can cure that for 1 minute in our LED lamp. Okay, so now that the foil glue is dry, now we can see, okay, so I don't want to do that one. We're gonna do this one here. So, oh no, we're not doing that one. We're doing the, where is it? Oh, here it is. That's what I was looking for. So we're just gonna be kind of like tapping it a little bit like that to kind of like separate it out. Not too much, but not too little. And then we're gonna do the thumb with this as well. Okay, cute. And then we're gonna do the flowers. So you know what? So for the flowers, we're gonna take our foil glue again. And I'm gonna put it actually right on that French red. So I'm just gonna try and make sure I only get it on the red parts. Just don't pass that line right there. And then we're gonna put this on this whole French now that's already there. Go ahead and cure that again for 1 minute. Okay, so now we can add these little foils that we have here. I've already used this before, but they're still there, so let's not waste it. So I'm just gonna, let me see. This looks like it'll fit. So we're gonna go right here because we have this whole thing still that we can be using. Uh-oh, I already did it. There we go. So we're just pressing it down. I just like to make sure all of it is coming off. So then you can see if anything else isn't sticking. Just press that area before you fully take it off. Okay, perfect. That is very cute. And we're gonna do the same thing in that middle one right there. So with this one though, I'm gonna just, let me see. Okay, that should be good. Ooh, I like how that looks. All right, and then I want to add some diamonds on, let's see, this one for sure. The fun box. Whoops. There we go. Okay, so for this one, I don't know, I might have to add more, but we'll see, because I kind of don't want to overdo it with the stones. We'll see. So I'm gonna grab my handy dandy notebook. Just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna grab my Mia Secret. Handy dandy Mia Secret. Okay, and then like I said, this is basically what we're gonna be doing. We're just going like right here where you see that little line, and we're gonna add the stones on there. I think the thumb needs a little something. I think I'm just gonna put like 2 little dots on these two. And this little one here. And a little bigger one there. So the next thing I want to do is add the top coat and we should be good to go. I gotta spray it with some Mia's Secret activator spray to dry the crystals. Okay, so I'm gonna cure that for 1 minute. And that's pretty much it, you guys. They are all done. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below what you guys really think of this. I absolutely love them. I picked red because of my shirt that I'm wearing at the moment. So that's where my inspo came from. And I've been wanting to do these beautiful red roses. I did them on a client, so I really love them. So I knew that I wanted to try them for myself. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys for the 1,000 subscribers. I am so happy. Thank you to all of you guys that subscribed. It makes me so happy. And yeah, if you haven't already, like I said, please subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.